Right guys, after I realised there's truck work going on between Townsville and Charters Towers and trains are not running in the morning, I went into Townsville, grabbed something to eat and looked at some caravans I've been looking at online for a while. Yeah, saw one I liked, so who knows in the future. When I was heading into Townsville, I heard a sugar train down at Inkerman Mill at Home Hill call them up to loading. And just as I was leaving Townsville, heard him call up for the road to head back. So I'm here at Giru trying to see if I can get a photo or video of it. There's red signals either end of the yard, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. Maybe there might be a cross here, who knows. But definitely I'll be coming back. I think this place will warrant a separate video with the cane trains as well. Sort of as you can see behind me over there, there's a sugar mill. So yeah, quite an extensive cane network here. So yeah, look forward in the future to a separate video. Don't know what's going on, guys. Briefly got a green signal down the end of the yard there and then it's gone back to red. So not sure what's going on. Maybe there's a train coming the other way. Maybe they've decided to do something else. So yeah, hopefully the train will be here soon. Rightio, give it another 5 minutes. Signal's changed again, back to green, so hopefully it's coming now. There was reports of telemetry faults down at Home Hill, so maybe they were just testing it. I'm looking over my shoulder to make sure the boom gates don't come down. So, yeah, fingers crossed it's coming soon. Well guys, that was worth the wait. I'm not going to chase it to Townsville. There's a bit of traffic and things like that on the road, so time to head back to the Mount Isa line and see if we can pick up a freight heading west. Righto guys, sorry I didn't mention it earlier, but I didn't have a chance. I didn't realise there was actually a train loading at the mill in Giru, and so here it is. I've got it, got a few drone shots over the river, and then some photos of it coming out and video coming out of the old mate in the truck. Videos of it coming out onto the main line. I got a GoPro video of it. It isn't super great. Just so happened to coincide with the kids coming out of school, so didn't want to seem too dodgy with the camera set up. Grab some snaps. Yeah, I'm just here at the bridge, right? That just shows you how retarded we are in Queensland. This bridge over the Burdekin was opened in 1971, and then old mate here came past. Nice car. Yeah, so opened in 1971, and as you can see, it's like 13 metres above the water level. And I'm sure where we're going, historically, all the way up there, top of the 1946 was 22 metres above the normal level. The railway bridge, which is about 1 kilometre south, never goes underwater. So it just shows you the faith they had in the railway still back in 1971, that the road link was just a secondary thing opposed to the bridge. They saw no need to build the road bridge above flood level. So now road is the dominant goods traffic and means of passenger transport, and it regularly floods. Every time they have a cyclone, the Burdekin goes over the bridge, boom. Can't get across it for a week or so. Then you got people, got that bad they'll fly helicopter choppering medicines and stuff from one side to the other. Oh, check out this big road train's coming. So it just gives you an indicator of actually the traffic that comes through here, you know. Fuel, all that sort of stuff via road, not by rail anymore. And what have they done? They're hamstrung by this low-level bridge in the background that goes under the water every time they get a decent cyclone. As you can see, it's pretty high. So yeah, bravo to the state government back in the 70s, building yourself a shit cheap bridge, which is gonna have to be replaced eventually anyway. On another note, it appears that the Mount Isa line is under maintenance between Mingala and Townsville. Wasn't any of the plans I saw online, so my next move is tomorrow we're going to head to the coast. We're going to catch sugar trains and cane trains to see how that goes. And then we'll work my way back home. Bit disappointing, but that's how the cookie crumbles, I suppose.